In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to download a spatial data administrative map to be precise from the Natural Earth online directory. Go to the search window, type in Natural Earth. Enter on your keyboard. You can see the first one here is Natural Earth free vector and raster map data at 1 is to 10 um, million resolution or scale. You just scroll down, there are other options, but like I said, the first one meets our fancy because it's actually the parent directory. You can see www.naturalearthdata.com. So that's the parent directory. Click on that to take your move to the web, their web page. Now you can see this is their home page. If you scroll down, there are a couple of things there. You're not really interested in going through all that, but when we just loaded, you could have seen that Africa actually showed up here with Nigeria still there. So apparently there are lots of data that are available over here. So to download, click on these downloads. When you click on downloads, it takes you to this the next window where you can download the shape files themselves. Here it says download all vector teams in a shapefiles SHP. That means you have to download everything they have, and that's about 576 megabytes. While you're not interested in doing this, you want to download specific things, so ignore that. Come here where you have the resolution or the scale. You have 1 is to 10 million, 1 is to 50 million, 1 is to 110 million. The best scale, of course, the finest scale you have is 1 is to 10 million. So click on the cultural, because you have cultural data, which is where the administrative data comes in. Physical data might be elevation maps, uh, maybe the forest, the land cover types, ecological zones. This is probably what you get here. While the raster data is basically the gridded data sets, which are basically images. But you're interested in an administrative map, so that's the cultural. So click on the cultural. It brings you to this window where it said if you want to download all the cultural data, you can click here. It will download global data for all cultural based data. Maybe administrative map for entire globe at 372.69 megabytes. You don't want to do that because you want to focus on maybe Nigeria, for instance. Say download countries, 4.7 megabytes. This is what you're looking for, more or less. Say download without boundary links. Well, you may not really want to do that, but let's just download the countries and forget about the other fields below. Of course, there are other possibilities, but let's stick with the first one, which says download the data. So you click on download countries, and the download is already done quite fast. So you go to the showing folder. Now this is the data. You just download a copy. Scroll down on navigate to the directory that you want to work from when you start making the maps. Study guide, map production. Right click, paste. You can see use Control V to paste. So I want to extract this. Right click, extract all. Extract. Well, this is what you have there. Like I said, when you want to open in the GIS, you open this, the one that ends with .shp. You can see a type shp shapefile. That's what you open. Now, this is basically how you download spatial data from Natural Earth Online Directory. So we'll stop here for now and then continue subsequently. We'll now talk about how to use it in QGIS. Thank you.